Hi friends, this is Review Car Expert. Today's vehicle is Mercedes E-Class 250D. Is the elegance vehicles. Should you buy the Mercedes E-Class 2020? It is a 2011 model. How is the price this? Okay, check out the front sections of the front. Is the monogram of Mercedes-Benz. Is the chocolate color 2011 model Mercedes 250D. Look at the front sections of the right hand side. Headlight is the defogger, headlight defogger, headlight washer, and alloy wheels, tires, Mercedes Benz logo, and right hand side indicator. Look at the color of so cool. This is the untouched vehicle, unpainted vehicle. I'm inspect this car. It is nice. Suspension wise, nice. Soaker suspensions, steerings, no any noise. CRDI is the diesel. Backside of the vehicle is Mercedes logo. Variant is E220D. Look at the backside of the interior size. Alloy is the totally strong. Check out the interior side of the vehicle. Look at the interior side of the vehicle. It's a totally leather finishing, wooden door stickers. There is the handrest of water bottle and glass stand. Open the handrest. Open the clamp of the upper cushioning. Check out the interior handrest luggage, cigarettes, lighters, and there is the two glass stands. It is so nice. Close to the interior handrest luggage. Okay. Look at the interior AC vent. Now back side of the right hand side. There is the indicator of the back view mirror. There is the sunroof. I show you interior side of the sunroof. Oh, front windshield is replaced. It is a manufacturing code is changed. Tires are maximum 20%. Backside tires maximum is 30 to 35%. What is the meaning of Mercedes logo? Please comment to the comment sections. I show you a engine side. Just wait. Okay, check out the engine section. Engine cover so big space consume. Engine produce 4200 RPM at 201 bhp power, 1600 Newton meter to 500 torque Newton meter. Look at the monogram of the engine making is the Mercedes by Mercedes-Benz PVR Limited, licensed under license logo. Okay, now check out the back compression of the engine. Open the engine oil intake gauge. Look at the piston run TDC to BDC. Outside is the engine oil droplets. There is a permissible glow by. No permissible glow by. This is the left side apron. Look at this. This is the ABS system. This is the anti-lock braking system. Okay, when apply a brake, sensors works to the steering unlocked, then not skid to the vehicle. There is the R140A is the AC gas supply to the interior systems, interior AC circulation system. This is the apron sections. Okay, close to the bonnet sections. The headlight sections, there is a projector headlamp and DRL headlamp. There is the headlamp washer. This is the indicator. This is the alloy and tubeless tire. Maximum driven 4 to 5,000 kilometer. Next, open the front right hand side door is the driver side door. Look at the interior side of the wooden finishing and leather seats. Leather seats either slightly torn and roughness. Look at the easily electronic controls steering system. This is the display of clusterometer, time, acceleration, temperature, MI lights, RPM, shifting gears. This is the shifting gear. This is the automatic vehicle. Parking, reverse, D drive, D1, D2, D3, and the gear lock. This provide. This is the display, information display. This is the display control knobs. This controls to the settings. There is the manual gear. Apply a manual D1, 2, 3. Now still parking. This is the glove box. Open the glove box of the handrest, driver side. Usually contain useful. This is the glove box, manual books. Okay, open to the sunroof. Outer side of the sunroof cover. Back side of the sunroof is a glass. Upper side of the sunroof is a glass. Now closing side. The space is so big. Now closing to the sunroof. Lights under the vehicle. Sunlight is under vehicle. Okay, closing to the outer portions of the sunroof cover. Okay, that's the back ventilations of the air conditions. This is control to the music system. Increase and decrease to the volume. This is the clusterometer. Steering audio control. There is a cruise control knob is the front top side. This provide to increase and decrease to the speed limits without using to the acceleration pedal. Okay, I see you to the immobilizer system key. This is the immobilizer system key. Thank you for watching video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.